Let me save you hours of Googling, and I'm gonna show you the best places to get B-roll for YouTube. Let's go. And what I mean by that is you want unlimited downloads, no copyright problems. You don't want it to feel stocky, and you want there to be a lot of selection. So those are the 4 things that I always look for. Also, if you want all my favorite tools for YouTube, including plugins, sound effects, music, B-roll, filming equipment, just everything YouTube, click the link in the description and I'll email you the full list. Now let's get into it. The first place is admittedly my favorite place, and it's my go-to, and it's Artlist. It is the best place to not only get B-roll, but like sound effects, music. I start with Artlist because I use it the absolute most. I love that they have unlimited downloads. They have so much selection. I've always been able to find what I need, and it's one of those things that's taken all the guesswork out of editing, because what Final Cut doesn't have built in, Artlist usually does. Like if you only had Artlist and Final Cut Pro, you'd be good to go. If I can't find something on Artlist, I will go directly to Canva. So Canva is the sort of secret trick you can use if you can't find anything elsewhere and you really need a certain type of shot or graphic, because Canva does have every graphic there ever has been. And they also have a lot of B-roll. And it's really easy. All you do is search for whatever you want and then select videos. It will give you a ton of videos of whatever you're looking for, and then you can just drag and drop it onto your project and then download that page as an MP4, and now you have B-roll. Now the next one is the free version. This is what I used when I wanted just free B-roll. I think Pexels is great too, but Pixabay has a better selection. It's more comprehensive. Pixabay was my go-to because you didn't need an account. It's free. All you have to do is credit. I think I used this for 2 or 3 years before I started paying for a service, so I think it's a great way to start. If you want all my other tools I'm using for YouTube that I've been testing over the last 10 years and that I think are the best, just click the link in the description. I'll email you the full list. I hope this video was helpful though. If it was, give it a thumbs up. I make videos that everything video editing every 2 weeks, so subscribe and I'll see you in 2 weeks.